Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today I'm just going to give you a quick little shopping haul I did at Wally World today. So we can start over here. We got a vat of oil. We're going to fry some
vat?
Yeah, well, it's a gallon, but you know. Bananas. I got me cantaloupe because I've been craving cantaloupe. Some oranges, my onions, the red, purple, and the regular. I have some grapes. I'm gonna make our grape salad. I have some yellow rice, popcorn, boil in a bag rice, jelly, olives for our salad. I brought some mushrooms because I'm gonna do Fajita Friday, so stay tuned for that. And then the tomatoes for our salad. I'm sorry, I'll go back over here. I'm all willy-nilly. I have ground turkey. I bought some crab delights. It's imitation crab. I'm not sure I'm ready for real crab yet. But I have shrimp. We have sausage. We have thinly cut pork chops. We have some steak strips, chicken wings, and chicken breasts. And then I have some cheese for fajitas and salad, regular cheese, and tortillas. We absolutely love these. Get them at Wally World. Right now they're 67 cents a pack of 10. I have cream cheese. Not sure why I bought this, but I saw it, bought it. Sour cream, yogurt, seasoned fries, our fully cooked maple sausage. And our vegetables, we have corn, Italian green beans, a mixed vegetable, and broccoli. This is the only kind of broccoli I buy because you get the actual broccoli flowerets and not a bunch of stems. This is bird's eye. Then I have some House Audrey chicken seasoning flour. I have bacon bits. I like the imitation ones. And then cranberry honey, and then croutons, and then tortilla chips. That's all for our salad. I have a bag of...
What was it? Cranberry honey what? Oh, cranberry honey roasted up. The cranberry honey?
Roasted some kind of nut.
Fresh
spinach. This is what happens when you go to the store early in the morning. Yeah. A blueberry, I was trying to get in there before the crowd. Our sugar, and then we have our Willies. We love these. Put it in your little water bottle. Flavors it up really good. Then I bought some black cherry cranberry juice. Some Topeka. A lot of people don't like it, but I do. And our Fresca eggs. And 2 cheap pizzas. So there you have it. Our Walmart haul.
Wait, was this bottom one?
Same thing.
Oh, I thought this bottom one was $1 more. I was gonna say.
No, it's the same thing. You have to cook it by today and tomorrow, so that definitely will happen. I got everything except for my peppers, but I'll go back later and get those. So stay tuned, keep watching, like, subscribe, and share, and check out our Fajita Friday video coming soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.